Okay, next move to full wave rectifier. As the name itself indicates, full wave rectifier means both positive and negative half cycles are utilized for the conductivity purpose. Means both positive and negative half cycle of AC is converted to pulsating DC form. Then go through the definition. Full wave rectifier is a circuit which convert AC voltage into pulsating DC voltage using both the half cycles of an applied AC. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಎರಡು ಹಾಫ್ ಸೈಕಲ್ AC to DC ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಆಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಯುಟಿಲೈಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್. The junction diode offers low resistance path for both forward and reverse bias condition. What happens for the half wave rectifier? For the forward bias low resistance, for the reverse bias high resistance. But in the full wave rectifier, it offers a low resistance for both the forward as well as the reverse bias condition. It is a one special function. Next, it's a construction point. The AC supply is fed across a primary P of a step down transformer. Two ends of the secondary coils are connected to P side of the diode D1 and D2. ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಡಯೋಡನ್ನು ನಾವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. A load resistance RL is connected across N side of the two diodes and central tapping of a secondary coil. The DC output is connected across secondary. Go through construction. Primary coil, secondary coil, diode D1, diode D2, load resistance and center tapping. How they are connected one by one. Primary and secondary. Two diodes N type is connected to the secondary coil. P type are connected to load resistance R and center tap. Point is here. What is that center tap? Why they uses the center tap? Center tap uses is when the signal is applied as an input, it just separate out the signal for the diode D1 and for the diode D2. ಎರಡು ಡಯೋಡ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಸಿಗ್ನಲ್ ಬಂದ ಕೂಡ ಯಾವುದು ಡಯೋಡ್ D1ಗೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು, ಯಾವುದು ಡಯೋಡ್ D2ಗೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು, ಅದನ್ನು ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಟ್ಯಾಪ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. And another point, it's not compulsory of the usage of the center tap. If we are not using the center tap, instead of the two diodes, we can use the 4 diode for the rectification purpose. Then that rectifier, they named it as an bridge rectifier. ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಟ್ಯಾಪ್ನ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತೇನಿಲ್ಲ. ಎರಡು ಡಯೋಡ್ ಬದಲಿ 4 ಡಯೋಡನ್ನ ರೆಕ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಷನಿಗೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಆ ರೆಕ್ಟಿಫೈಯರ್ನ ಏನಂತ ಕರೆದ್ರು, ಬ್ರಿಡ್ಜ್ ರೆಕ್ಟಿಫೈಯರ್ ಅಂತ ನೇಮಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಓಕೆ. ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡರಿ ಕಾಯಿಲ್, P type of the two diodes connected to secondary, N type is connected to load resistance and center tap. Then move to its working principle, working process. The input voltage to A with respect to center tap at any instant is positive, and in the same that instant voltage at B is not in phase, means it will be negative, out of phase. For that reason, diode D1 get forward bias, it get conduct. D2 become reverse bias, is not conduct. Because of this, during positive half cycle, we get the output across the load resistance with the help of the diode D1. Next point, when the voltage at A become the negative, means when a negative half cycle comes with respect to the center tap, voltage at B become positive and at A become negative. Due to this, D1 is reverse bias, D2 is forward bias. So D2 get conducted for the negative half cycle through load resistance RL. Fine. Andra, when positive cycle reaches to the secondary of a center tap, point A become positive, point B become negative. A positive, B negative atandra diode D1 become forward bias, it get conduct. Same thing. Is it clear the point? Positive half cycle with respect to center tap bantandra point A positive ಆತು, point B negative ಆತು. Point A positive, point B negative ಆಗಿರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಡಯೋಡ್ D1 ಫಾರ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಬಯಾಸ್, ಡಯೋಡ್ D2 ಏನಾಯ್ತು ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಬಯಾಸ್. ಆವಾಗ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಈಸ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಡಯೋಡ್ D1. Next, when the negative pulse reaches to the center tap, point A become negative, point B become positive. Due to this, diode D2 become forward and diode D1 become the reverse bias. This conductivity is with the help of the diode D2. So it shows positive pulse with the help of D1, negative pulse is with the help of the D2. Means both the positive and negative pulses are used either by D1 and D2 according to D1, D2, D1, D2. ಅಂದರೆ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್. ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಪಲ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಾಗ D1 ಫಾರ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಬಯಾಸ್, ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಪಲ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಾಗ D2 ಫಾರ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಬಯಾಸ್. ಅಂದರೆ ಎರಡೂ ಪಲ್ಸೇಷನ್ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಕಂಡಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಫೈನ್. ದೆನ್ is it a pure DC form? No. What is the pure DC form waveform? Steady, constant. But it is in the steady form? No, in the pulsating form. Then what it indicates? Instead of the pure, some AC component is also there. Fine. Then to remove out this AC component from the output side to get a pure form, they prefer the filter circuit. ಅಂದರೆ ಫುಲ್ ವೇವ್ ರೆಕ್ಟಿಫೈಯರ್ ಎರಡು ಡಯೋಡ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಡಿ ಸಿ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಇರೋದ ಎ ಸಿ ಕಾಂಪೋನೆಂಟ್ ಇರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಆ ಎ ಸಿ ಕಾಂಪೋನೆಂಟ್ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕಂತೇನೆ ಫಿಲ್ಟರ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. What is that filter circuit? The rectified out voltage is in the form pulses shape of the half sinusoidal. ಫುಲ್ ಸೈನೋಸಾಯ್ಡಲ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ. ಹಾಫ್ ಸೈನೋಸಾಯ್ಡಲ್, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಹಾಫ್ ಸೈನೋಸಾಯ್ಡಲ್. Even though it is unidirectional, it does not have the steady value. AC bidirectional, DC unidirectional. This output is unidirectional and one direction, but it is not in the steady form. Now to get a pure DC form, they used a filter circuit. To get the pure DC form, they uses the filter circuit. What is that filter circuit device? They uses the capacitor. How this capacitor is connected? Connected parallelly across the output terminal. Now the point, what is the function of the capacitor? Fine, it acts as the storage device, it's a right. Another, its working is charging and discharging. How this charging and discharging is utilized in the conversion of AC to DC, we discuss in the next point. First, its a definition once again. The additional circuit appear to filter out AC component, ripple and give a pure DC voltage, so they are called the filter circuit. Another point is here, ripple. What is that ripple? Ripple ಅಂದ್ರೇನು ಹೊಸಾಟ? Okay, that ripple is nothing but additional component in the output voltage. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪಲ್ಸೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಇರ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಇದು ಪಲ್ಸೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಎ ಸಿ ಕಾಂಪೋನೆಂಟ್. ಇದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಎ ಸಿ ಕಾಂಪೋನೆಂಟ್ ಏನಿರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತಾರೆ? ರಿಪಲ್ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಫೈನ್. How this capacitor acts as the filter. Working. When the voltage across the capacitor is rising, it gets charges. If there is no external load, means it remains in the charging peak voltage value of the rectified output. When the load is when we changes the load, discharged through the load takes place, means charging to discharging. Voltage across is start to begin to fall. So for the next half cycle again the process is to be repeat. To keep the capacitor under the charging condition means we keep the load resistance fixed value. It shows charging of the capacitor depends upon product of load resistance and capacitance inversely, and name called as the time constant. What is the meaning of this one? When this positive cycle of the rectifier reaches the capacitor, this capacitor start charging for a fixed load resistance or no load resistance. For example, na 10 ohm resistance na fix ittidini. If I changes that 10 ohm to 20, 25 or 5 and 2, then what happens? This charged capacitor, instead of moving in the steady form, this is again start to fall down. So to keep that capacitor in the charging form, we keep the load resistance value fixed. Okay, now because of that we get in the steady form. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಸೈಕಲ್ ಬಂದು ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟರ್ ಚಾರ್ಜಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಿ ಸ್ಟೀಡಿ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಉಳಿತು. ಲೋಡ್ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಐತಿ. ಲೋಡ್ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಸ್ಟೀಡಿ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಚಾರ್ಜಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಇದ್ದ ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟರ್ ಡಿಸ್ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಆಯಿತು. ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್ ಡ್ರಾಪ್ಡ್ ಅಕ್ರಾಸ್, ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್ ಈಸ್ ಫಾಲಿಂಗ್ ಡೌನ್. ಸೇಮ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಹಾಫ್ ಸೈಕಲ್, it remains the steady. Only thing is no changes in the load resistance value. It shows this charging of the capacitor mainly depends upon the applied load resistance value. Then its application part is in the power supply. How it is used in the power supply? The one home appliances ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ನಾವು ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿತ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅಷ್ಟನ್ನು ಫಿಲ್ಟರ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಫಿಲ್ಟರ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಪವರ್ ಸಪ್ಲೈಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಯೂಸೇಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಫುಲ್ ವೇವ್ ರೆಕ್ಟಿಫೈಯರ್ ಇಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಫೈನ್. ಅನದರ್ ಒನ್ ಡ್ರಾಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಫುಲ್ ವೇವ್ ರೆಕ್ಟಿಫೈಯರ್ ಈಸ್ ಸಾಲ್ಟ್ ಔಟ್ ಬೈ ದ filter circuit.